Hello and welcome to our show, the first series of self-care. If you remember in the introduction, I had said we'd be doing the series with Brilliance Foundation International, and this is on their YouTube channel, Brilliance YouTube channel, that you will be seeing these series of self-care. So today we are going to speak about how the weather affects. We are in the midst of a harsh winter, and we want to discuss how this affects us, our skin, us physically, emotionally also, I should say. Because, the gray weather gets to you, the cold weather gets to you, you cannot go out, you cannot walk, you cannot, enjoy this sitting in the sun. So, and then, of course, the harshness of the cold wind, the weather itself affects your skin when you are exposed to it for a length of 5-6 months. We have really extreme weather, cold weather, and with that, when we come into the house or we are working in an office or in the car, we have heat on, high heat sometimes, which dries the air. So we're hurting our skin in two ways: by the weather, which is affecting it harshly, and then the heat is drying it out, and the harsh weather dries it out. Even the sun, when it's not so strong, we think in the winter, it is very strong. So there are steps that you can take so that your skin looks moisturized, glows, is healthy during these, winter months, when you're cooped in with heat, and when you're outside, you're facing cold, frigid air. So the way to do that is, as usual, I always say the one thing that is most important is keep your skin clean. So cleansing is important, and moisturize. Moisturize in the morning before you go out, moisturize at night, so the dehydrated skin gets its hydration. And sunscreen is crucial even in winter, because it protects you from the harsh weather and the sun. So and it doesn't dry out the skin. And when the skin gets dry, you're in this extreme weather, and the skin gets dry, and there are other things. You can get rosacea, you get chapped skin. With rosacea, you have these very tiny spider veins that pop up sometimes, and so like I said, there are ways you can take care of that. And the other very important thing, other than the topical use of things, is to eat well, and eat things that keep you, drink lots of water. Firstly, soups are good for you in the winter. I mean, hearty soups, and teas. We all love our teas, green tea or black tea. We should consume lots of liquid. And the heat. So the heat in the house that is also as big a problem as the outdoor cold, dry air. And it dries the home, air. And we are inside for a while. So humidifiers. The answer is to try to, at least, if not the whole house, in the rooms that you use a lot. It could be your bedroom, it could be the kitchen, or a living room where you spend long hours. So you should try to use a humidifier so that you have that humidity in the air that doesn't get, your skin is not affected. And as always, and as I started in the beginning, that emotional care, because in winter we do feel, secluded. We are secluded, we are kind of feel lonely, it's gray, we can't do a lot of activities that we are used to. So try to, maybe friends, meet a friend sometime, maybe go out to a cafe, do activities that emotionally will make you feel calmer, at peace, happier. And the combination of the two will make you look good and hopefully get you to the point where you want to get in looking good. As always, also, we are here, I am here. You can reach me, and I'm sure our emails are being, you can see our emails on the screen. So you can reach me or through my email or through the foundations. And I will gladly help you in whichever way I can, whether you have questions or, like I said before, a topic that you want us to discuss. Please reach out. Reach out and we will get back to you. I will get back to you. And I will end this today again on the same note as before. Please smile at yourself, at me. I wish you a very happy day. Till we meet again, thank you. Goodbye.